Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best gadgets and appliances to make your home more efficient. Today, we're diving into some of the top over-the-range microwaves for 2024. This article is titled Best Over-the-Range Microwaves for a Modern Kitchen, written by our experts. Let's jump into the top 4 over-the-range microwaves to upgrade your kitchen. First on our list is the GE Over-the-Range Microwave, a high-quality and reliable option from GE's extensive lineup of kitchen appliances. This microwave is best for those looking for a spacious, stylish, and powerful appliance to handle everyday cooking tasks. It offers a 1.7 cubic feet capacity, making it large enough to fit most dishes and cookware, while the 1,000 watts of power provide efficient heating for everything from reheating leftovers to cooking full meals. The standout feature of the GE is its easy-to-use, one-touch cooking controls. These pre-programmed settings allow you to cook or reheat specific dishes like popcorn, beverages, and potatoes at the touch of a button. Its 300 CFM exhaust fan helps eliminate smoke, steam, and odors from your kitchen, making it a functional combination of microwave and ventilation system. The interior is also equipped with a turntable for even cooking, and its stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen. Next up is the Farberware Over-the-Range Microwave Oven, which is best for homeowners who want an affordable and easy-to-use option without sacrificing performance. Farberware is known for producing budget-friendly kitchen appliances, and this microwave offers a solid balance between functionality and price. It comes with a 1.3 cubic feet capacity and 1,000 watts of cooking power, making it suitable for most cooking and reheating tasks. This model features multiple cooking presets, including options for popcorn, pizza, and vegetables, making it easy to prepare a variety of dishes without any guesswork. It also comes with a 2-speed, 300 CFM ventilation system to help clear smoke, steam, and kitchen odors, keeping your kitchen environment fresh. The turntable ensures even cooking, and the digital control panel is simple to navigate, with options for defrosting, reheating, and timed cooking. Our next microwave is the BLS-KDE Over-the-Range Microwave Oven, a versatile and stylish option with advanced features. This microwave is best for those who want a mid-range model that offers more cooking options and power. With a 1.6 cubic feet capacity and 1,000 watts of power, it's designed to handle family-sized meals and more substantial cooking tasks. One of the standout features of the BLS-KDE microwave is its sensor cooking technology, which automatically adjusts the cooking time and power level based on the moisture levels in the food. This ensures perfectly cooked or reheated meals every time, without needing to manually adjust settings. It also includes 10 power levels and a variety of pre-programmed settings, from defrosting to making popcorn. The 300 CFM ventilation system helps to clear out smoke and steam, while the stainless steel finish adds a modern, sleek look to your kitchen. Finally, we have the Gasland Over-the-Range Microwave Oven, a high-performance option designed for modern kitchens. This microwave is best for those who prioritize advanced features and durability. With 1.6 cubic feet of cooking space and 1,000 watts of power, it can handle everything from quick reheats to full meal preparations, making it perfect for busy kitchens. The Gasland microwave features multi-stage cooking options, allowing you to program a sequence of cooking modes for complex dishes. It also includes sensor cooking technology, which adjusts time and power automatically for optimal results. Its 300 CFM 2-speed exhaust fan efficiently removes steam, smoke, and odors from your kitchen, keeping the air fresh and clean. Additionally, the microwave's Eco Mode feature reduces standby power consumption, making it an energy-efficient choice. That's our list of the best over-the-range microwaves for 2024. To learn more about each microwave and find the one that fits your needs, visit our article Best Over-the-Range Microwaves for a Modern Kitchen. Be sure to check the product links in the description for more details and purchasing options. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content. Stay tuned for our next video.